There we go. Yeah, that seems like a decent one. Good old red, I would assume. Good morning, everyone. My name is Mike Ashworth, and today I'm out here in the marsh in Galveston, and I'm gonna make my way back as far as I possibly can, see if I can't catch some of those big fall redfish, maybe some bonus flounder. But today, well, it's an absolutely perfect day. These are the days that I look for in the fall time. So I'm really excited. But right now, it's time to go catch some fish. What do we got here? I got redfish, maybe. Yeah. Little redfish. But nice little redfish. Yep, and we're gonna let him go. All right, we got us a flounder here. He seems pretty decent. There we go. Oh yeah, that is a good flounder. Yeah, that is what I'm talking. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about here. This is the kind of flounder. Yeah, this is the kind of flounder that I love to see in the fall. These big, healthy, yeah. How awesome is that? Man, that made my day. So happy about this. And that was caught on the pearl white and chartreuse down south lure. This is the supermodel. One of my favorite colors to use for flounder is white. It works really well. Even if you're using gulp, white lures seem to do the trick. But man, this is a healthy flounder. Look at that. Whew. That is a good one. All right, I gotta measure this guy. Oh, this makes me happy. I love catching flounder like this. Yeah, he's a good 18 and a half. Real stout flounder though. Hefty. Such a good flounder, man. All right. Got that guy.
Awesome. Yay.
Pretty decent.
That's awesome.
You want him?
Yeah, I'll take it.
Yeah, we're gonna make our way through these marshes on this cold fall day. It was about 45 degrees this morning, and it's already warmed up to probably 60, 65. I had to take my sweater off. Anyways, let's get to fishing. There we go. Yeah, that seems like a decent one. Good old red, I would assume. Yeah. Decent little redfish. Whew. What is up with all the fish swallowing the lures today? Yeah, that's not gonna help at all, bud. There we go. All right. That was caught on the Texas roach. We got ourselves a nice little redfish here. Good redfish. Hanging out in the grass over there. All right. Let's measure this guy. Nope. And he is 21 and a half. Good redfish. Pretty feisty too. He's a bit of a fighter. All right, man, I'll let you go. We'll see you again soon. Come on. All right. Well, that was fun. Well, we made it back to the boat ramp, and it's a long day. Long day. And it was a grind to catch these fish today. Today I did end up hooking up on some redfish and some flounder, but it was a lot of work to get them. Today just wasn't like it has been in the last 2 to 3 weeks. Last week I caught a full limit of trout, a full limit of redfish, and today it was a struggle. It was a struggle to even catch 1 or 2 of those. So, you know, you take what you can, and you know, you have days like this. Had a great day out on the water exploring new places, but anyways, I'm tired and it's time to go home. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, like, comment, hit that bell notification so you know when I drop my next video, and we will see you next time.